Jingle bell, jingle bell ride. Jingle around the clock. Hey y'all, it is time for Vlogmas. So check out this video. Hello everybody, it's your girl Frugal Mama, and today I have a special video to, you're like, oh, what is going on with your head? I was asked probably about a year or two ago to demonstrate how I wrap my hair, and I've done it on some live streams, but I wanted to create a special video, and this is for Trigger Woman 88 and anyone who is interested in how and why I wrap my hair. Well, so let's just get into it. So I have a long piece of fabric. I bought it as a head wrap. It is a head wrap, made for a head wrap, but you can get any fabric that is kind of long enough to do what you want to do. And so here I put it about right here, but you know, you can adjust. And this is a simple, there are so many videos on YouTube in how to wrap your hair, but what I do is try to, as I wrap, think about my intention for the day and making sure I'm covered. I know that everything doesn't have to be deep and sentimental, or but for me, everything matters. And so how I communicate with myself in the world, I'm thinking about that, asking God to not just wrap it around like that. Now, when I have my hair out, instead of braided back, you know, you can do some different things. So you can kind of put it like that, or you can go around here, wrap it around. There's so many things that you can do, but I don't know, I just like grand. And then if I'm gonna look in a mirror or I pass a window, I'm saying, be mindful, you know, because words really matter. They are impactful. And like, I think I created a post, you know, how we say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words may never hurt me. Yeah, those words hurt, and sometimes more so than the sticks and the stones. So how we speak to ourselves and others is a reflection of God in us, in my opinion, and that's in me. So I can only speak for myself. So when you see people, you know, cursing each other out and angry, upset, fighting, it's something that's deep rooted and maybe hurting, probably, or maybe some type of mental illness, you never know, but it's something. And so you have to think, okay, well, how can I heal myself? How can I break this? How can I be kind, be compassionate, and be exemplary of how God would want me to be in this moment. And that's just my personal, you know, opinion. I want to let my light shine, let the light of God shine through me. And when there are some opportunities for growth, that is a goal to work through. So this is how I wrap my hair on my cover my crown. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know your thoughts below. And then you can do this without the symbolic covering of the crown. But for me, it's a part of my everyday protocol, because, and it's not a ritual or anything. It is, and every routine is a ritual, but it's not, definitely not, what do they call it, demonic or anything. I'm not putting casting spells or anything like that. I'm not that person. I am God loving and respectful, and I want to continue doing this, or a form of it, for as long as it's meant for me to do. And do I go out uncovered? sometimes, rarely, but sometimes. And it's probably gonna be around people who I'm very comfortable with. So, but that is why and how I wrap my hair. And so if it takes me a while to edit this video and I have my hair out, I will do that as well. But then it's all about, you can just instead of like twisting it up, you can, but it's all about love. To me, it's all about love. God is love. We should be, we there's a little bit of him. I mean, it's a bit of him in everybody. Is why we want to activate that and choose to exemplify that or not. So see, you can do so many things with a head wrap, honey. So many things. Wrap a couple of them together. And just being graceful to ourselves to say, you know what, we are human. We're going to make mistakes. And it's all about how we recover from those mistakes. And how to be good stewards of our lives. You know, we hear about being good steward of our finances, but there's so many dimensions that go along with being citizens of this universe and appreciating that each and every one of us have purpose and a plans for our lives. And so we have to honor that. And this is one of the ways that help keep me mindful of that. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts below so I can see you all in the next one. I should repeat that. So let me know your thoughts below. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so I can see you all in the next one. Happy Vlogmas and happy whatever day it is that you are seeing this video. Peace.
Doing some unboxing and I'm working out, ayy. Reviewing all these products and I'm working out, ayy. I got the Don Dotty Gold, cause it's all about the mind, body, soul.